way to make quick and easy transcriptions from a video. So what you're looking at is my YouTube channel, and what you need to do is upload your video or your audio into YouTube, and then what you'll see is your list of videos here, and what you need to do is click Edit, and then what you can see up here is info and settings and so on. What you need to do is go to Subtitles, Closed Captioning, and what you'll see here is you can add new subtitles or you can edit the ones that YouTube has already made. So click on that, and then what you can see here is it's transcribed the entire thing for me. Sometimes though there are mistakes, so what you need to do is hit Edit. Okay, and now you can see that this video, this transcription can be changed. So what I tend to do is hit the play button and listen to it and see if there are any mistakes. Okay, so today I want to talk to you about the Dark Age of Grace and also the Archaic Age, and I've given you the dates here. Now, we talked about this the other day in class, but just to go... Anyway, you get the idea. You can then go in and change these words. So if there's some type of mistake, you can change it. And as you notice here, when I click on these boxes, it will skip to the time. So if you're reading ahead and you think this all sounds fine, I'm just looking for a mistake, but this is something that YouTube did for me. I'm not seeing any mistakes right now, but you get the idea. It brings you down here. So when you are done, you want to hit Publish Edits. And then go back to your translation. Now, this is where you have to sort of fiddle around with it just a bit. So you want to download an SBV file. And this will open up in Notepad on a PC. And so what you can see here, if I can move this window over to make sure you can see it. This is your transcription. Now, one of the issues here is you're going to have a lot of these time things that you have to delete, but this is a heck of a lot easier to get rid of than to actually type in your whole transcription for your video. And then what you need to do is save this. I don't think you can quite see it. So save as, and then save this as a Word document. You might need to open it up in a Word document first. So save it as a text file, and then open up your text file in a Word document, and then save it as a Word document. So I hope that helps.